Alright, in this chapter, we will look at how to use NiPainter Lite. First of all, we will add a new layer to UQPaint by pressing the plus button, going to New Image, and then let's name it first. You can name it whatever you like. I'll just name it Ni Layer. Like this. And for the resolution, let's use 2K and press OK. For this Ni layer, we want to keep it on the very top layer, because we will be painting over this area later. OK. Now, we will go to the sidebar and go to the Tool menu. Scroll down to the bottom, and we will find the NiPainter menu. As for the image editor, we have already set it up since the time we installed the add-on. OK, now let's look at the Painting View section. Let's click on it. Once we click on Painting View, we will see a camera like this. Now, I will press Tab first and go to Object Mode. Let's click on this camera and press Ctrl 0 like this. We will see that our camera is currently named View Paint. Next, let's adjust the camera's resolution. I recommend setting it to around 2000 like this. We can also adjust the camera settings here, for example, if you want to for adjusting the camera's position. For adjusting the camera's position, we can use this panel. There is the location section where you can adjust the X, Y, and Z axes. And for rotation, you can also rotate it along the X, Y, and Z axes directly through this panel. Additionally, we can change the lens type from perspective to orthographic. You can adjust that right here. In this example, we will use the orthographic lens type. After that, click on the surface of the character that you want to paint on, such as the head. Then go to Texture Paint. And scroll down. We will adjust the screen size. I will set it to 2000. So that it matches our resolution perfectly. Looking below at the external painting section, we can edit the file name. This will be the file we use for painting. We can also change the format. There are PNG and PSD formats. For those using Clip Studio, I highly recommend using the PSD format, as it is the best option. You can also choose to overwrite the file. Next, click on External Painting. A pop-up will appear to confirm your choice. Just press OK. The add-on will automatically open the image editor software that we set up earlier. Here, if it is a PSD file, a mask will be provided for you. It will be this green layer right here. Alright, now we have reached the painting process. We will be using Clip Studio to paint. Since it supports photo editing, we can use a technique called photo bashing. First, we will add a new layer. This will be the layer we use to paint over the image. This layer is very important. We will not paint directly on the main layer. For our reference image, we will use this real photo. We will apply the photo bashing technique. I'm going to speed up the video now. Okay, assuming we are satisfied with this image. We will turn off the bottommost layer, and we will save only the layers we painted on, which are these 2 layers. Go to File, and then Save like this. Done. Now let's go back to Blender. In Blender, we can simply click Apply right here, like this. Now, if we want the other side to be symmetrical, we can use Flip Paint right here. Click Flip Paint. Then, go to Apply Image. For Apply Image, we can select the file we want to project onto our model. I will use this one, and then hit Apply like this. Okay, it's done. Now we just flip it back like this. Then, we will do some touch-ups in UQPaint. Let's go back to UQPaint first. For the touch-ups, we mostly use the smear brush to blend the colors, such as for the eyebrows up here. And in some areas, we might just use a standard brush to tidy things up. Alright, if we want to use NiPainter again, we need to close the old file first. Then, go to Blender. Go to the Tool tab, go to NiPainter. Click on External Painting, and hit OK. We will get a fresh new image, ready to be painted once again. The painting process is the exact same. We will use the photo bashing method. But if any artist prefers to hand paint it themselves, that is perfectly fine too. This is just one of many techniques. Okay, that concludes how to use NiPainter. It's a small add-on that I hope artists will find useful, especially for stylized art or game assets. That's all for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to give the add-on a try, it's available on Gumroad.